So, guys, I'm through with the discussion there. Now I'm going to go back to my place so that we can see. But it has been a very fruitful discussion there of the KBC. So I just want to go back. Okay. This place has got so many motorcycles. I think it is a very busy road here, which goes to a place known as Kioni. And here we have even plots for sale. Okay, so this one is the place, and I'm told that to go there, I go for appointment, and maybe I be informed more about the KBC. But I've been told it's a very busy station because in this place, wasanii are the, let's say, musicians, all right, choirs like church choirs or any other choir which would like to be recorded. They come to this place. So before I thought it was not active, but according to her, the place is quite active. So these are the boosters, all right? The boosters, before I have been told, were these boosters. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the other side there are 4. So all of them, I think there are 9. These boosters were sending their signals underground, but now, because we have moved from analog to digital, they are using aerial. And you can see the boosters now. There is Airtel on this side. There is Safaricom on the other side. Safaricom is combined with Telcom. So I'm saying these boosters now are digital. But before, they were analog. Remember the time we were using very big radios, all right, with very big radios. And even the first phone was so big, you could not put it in the pocket. So here are the boosters, guys. Okay, let me try to zoom the camera. Okay, there are the boosters, guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. 1, 2. Let me point. Let me point them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 of them. I think you can see them. The 4 boosters, all right. Can even adjust a bit, all right. The 4. And then we have some other 4 on the other side. Yeah, you have other 4 on the other side there. On the other side. And that is the building. We don't have very many buildings here. And they seem also to be having a maze, or maybe the staff or what. But you can see the building there. But guys, I've been told I can only go there under appointment. They have also an area now, because we are saying communication now is digital. So you can see the area. This one. This one here is an area. Okay, it's no longer analog, guys, now. It's digital. So you can see now There's a tuk-tuk in front there. So guys, okay. So guys, this road goes to Kiskioni. Kiskioni, a place of the headquarters where the government offices are. That's where we have the county commissioner or sub-county commissioner. Maybe the head of the police is there, all right, and all the others. Okay. It's a place I've never been, but I've been told it is not very far, that Kiskioni. But one of these days, guys, I will be taking you there, right? So, I am now going back to my hideout. So, this one is KBC. They have fenced, the fencing and so on. The fencing is there, all right? And today being a Sunday, we don't have very many people, all right? We don't have very many people today being a Sunday. So, I thank that staff of KBC in absentia. She has done a wonderful job giving me history of the KBC. I thought they were not active, but I'm shocked to be told that they are still operating. So, that's me, all right? And of course, she had to ask me, because nowadays you don't trust people on social media. She thought I would be maybe a spy or something like that, but I told her, I'm just a layman, a retired teacher, and I do not have any bad intentions of asking her those questions. I was asking the questions sincerely, all right? So there is a tuk-tuk here, which is stuck, all right? Habari zenu? Ni YouTube nachukua. Ama YouTuber mumekwama? Sasa hapo mtasukuma ama? Okay. Nilikuwa hapa tukiongea na mtu wa KBC. Ndiye alikuwa akinielezea mambo ya hapa hii area. Akaniambia hata hii kuna wakati watu walikuwa wamechukua. Sasa serikali ikachukua tena. Watu walikuwa wamejigawia. Ilikuwa imeuzwa na wanasiasa. Lakini sasa serikali iliingilia. Wakarudisha. Watu wa Kenya ni hatari bwana. Kwa hivyo nachukua video hapa KBC leo. Nataka kuonyesha hii shamba vile ilikuwa. Okay. So, you see now, the shamba I was telling you, this is a route here. I don't know, it is used by which vehicles here. We have a route going inside. So, going right inside this big farm. Here we have got a very interesting tree with fruits. Hey, now are they edible? Are these fruits edible? Huh? And what do you call this tree? Huh? Are the fruits edible? I don't know. No, they are edible. Okay. So, Let me see. So very good. It's a tree with a lot of fruits. But what I can see is I can see birds. I don't know what is the name of this tree now. It has got a lot of fruits, guys. Fruits and fruits. And it is a tree like it can have very good shade. Okay, so there is around here, but of course it is overgrown by grass. There is a lot of grass here. All right. There's a lot of grass. And of course I'm going around the fenced place of the KBC. You can see the places there and the masts are there. I'm just going around to show you this expansive area, guys. Now watch the view, guys. Watch. Very expansive area. All right. Okay. Very expansive area. Nobody, you cannot see any human beings around. All right. Understand, there are some people who wanted to grab this land, but the government recovered. All right. So, you can see the area is expansive one. I don't know. I think I would have asked how many hectares they are, but I forgot to ask that question of the size of the land. And I'm finding some motorcycles here. I don't know. What could the fellows be looking here? I don't know, but I'm not scared. Anyway, whatever they are doing, that's their business. So, the KBC, it's a fence, and that is the place there. That one there. And you have a beautiful tree there. Now you can see now the masks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me look at them from a different angle. All right. So the land is quite expansive, guys. All right. So I don't know this road, where this road goes to. But today we are concentrating on this land. So I can see people sleeping there. So you can see now the masts from here. The masts. And can you see the 4 of them? Yes, plus the Safaricom and the Airtel there. But the KBC ones are here. We have, for example, the KBC ones. This one, and this one here, and this one here, the 4th one, and then the other 4. We can zoom. The other 4. You can see we have one here, there, is shaking. Okay, the other 4, they are there. So let's see you get the view. Today is KBC. Okay. So guys, I just moved away from the danger of copyright. There are some fellows there with a motorcycle which is having music, and therefore I want to avoid that. Here we have interesting stones. Interesting stones here. All right. Interesting stones here. All right. Minimum zoom. Okay. So KBC. All right. Then you have the rand. Okay. There are interesting stones here found. And here there seems to be some water here. Stones and some water. Okay. I don't know whether people come to wash here or what, because I can see some clothes here. I don't know whether they are refuse. There is a coat here and some clothes. Guys, I don't know. You can see. It looks like, guys. So there is a pool here. I don't know if it is a pool for what, but you can see it. All right. So that's the rand, guys. Look at the extent. Big. Even down here we cannot see, but you can see very far. You can even see Coma Hill there. Okay, but you can see where the rand is, like an aerial view, because I'm somewhere up. Okay, the KBC parastatal rand is so expansive, right? You can see, even from here, you can also see Kirimambogo. Kirimambogo there, that one. And then Matumamwetu is that one here. And Kirimambogo is there. Then we go round, showing you the expansive rand. And we show you Coma. And from there, you can see the Machakos Hills there. All right. So from here, you have an aerial view of this area here. Kirimambogo, Matumamwetu, and Coma. Where's Coma? Coma. So Coma is here. So you can see Coma, Matumamwetu, and Kirimambogo, guys. So the land is so expansive, guys, as you can see for yourself. So this is KBC land. And guys, I think I'll end my video there. I'll end my video in a pool I've found at the KBC land. And there seem to be human activities here because the KBC place is there. There seems to be human activities. I don't know whether this place they come to baptize people here or what, but it seems like a place where we have issues, and I think that is that. So I'll end this video here. Guys, subscribe to my channel, comment, and give me love by writing very good comments, guys. Hit that like button and like this video, guys. KBC, Kenya Broadcasting Corporation.